right, Chef Joseph, what are you making for brunch today?
So today is going to be, this is our avocado smash. This is one of our more simple, more elegant dishes. It's definitely one of the favorites. I think 2 weeks in a row now we've sold out, so it's proving to be a favorite of everyone. As you know, avocados in Florida are very, very popular, and this is a dish that you see on menus everywhere. So there's a reason for that. So we'll get right into it. It's really, really simple. We'll just go through the ingredients. We start with a Hass avocado, and we want to make sure that these are really nice and ripe. So we want to make sure that they're totally brown on the outside, nice and soft and pliable through. And this, we're just going to literally break it in the skin.
And what powder is in here?
So this is just a little bit of garlic powder that's in the bottom of that. So maybe like a half a teaspoon.
Okay.
And that just gives some depth and like a little bit of a roasted quality, because everything else in here is very kind of fresh.
Gotcha.
And it's a little bit cleaner. So we want something to give it like some earthiness and like a little character. We do a little bit of cream cheese. This makes the whole thing a little bit more rich and gives it like kind of a decadent quality. It also helps the avocado from turning brown. So it kind of neutralizes that all together. So we'll add acid, we'll also add fat, and this will kind of protect it. So the first step is just a little bit of the smash, mostly to work in the cream cheese and get it kind of softened up.
Okay.
From here, we'll do some kosher salt, because we really want this salt to kind of, it actually has to marinate and soak into the avocado. We don't want it just kind of sitting on the outside. So we want to make sure that we get that in right away. The same thing with the lemon or any acid that you would use. So you could do vinegar, you could do limes, you could do lemons. Lemons have a pretty high acid point.
Okay.
And they're really, really fresh. That kind of seems to keep the avocado from browning a lot better than a lime would. So that's it. It's very, very simple. Just a basic smash. Get everything incorporated. The last thing we do.
That smells really good.
Thank you, thank you. So a little bit of olive oil.
Okay.
We use a Kalamata olive oil, which has a little bit of spice to it. It also has a really kind of earthy floral flavor. So it gives this just a few more complex notes to kind of go along with the avocado flavor. So again, this is a super simple dish. For plate up, it just goes right on. So we advertise this as avocado smash for two, because we do a pretty healthy portion. Next step is a pre-scored French bread. This will go right on the plate. From here, we'll do a little bit of finishing salt, just so it's kind of a dressing right on the palate. We'll glaze it with an oil to give it some shine and really have those floral olive notes kind of coming through right at the end. So it's kind of the first thing you pick up on. And then kind of our fine touch, we take a truffle peeler. We do some very, very fine shavings of radish.
Oh, wow.
So this will give us some nice bright color. Kind of welcomes us into the fall season a little bit. Also, it gives us a little bit of astringency and a little pungent quality, and kind of sets the whole dish off. So this is it, avocado smash.
That looks amazing. Thank you so much, Chef Joseph.
You're welcome.
Guys, it's a big moment. Chef Joseph just showed me just how fresh this avocado smash is. Let's give it a try. It's rich, it's balanced. I'm not a food connoisseur, but I love it.